The stock's down over 70% today. And this is what happens when you invent consumer robotics. Now, speaking of robots, not everything is happy in autonomy world, because this iRobot is an example when robotics goes extinct. Yes, these are the same people who make the Roomba. They filed for bankruptcy. The stock's down over 70% today. And this is what happens when you invent consumer robotics. You lose your pricing power. You get crushed by cheaper competition. You eat tariffs and don't really adjust. And you borrow money assuming Amazon is going to eventually save you. Spoiler alert, Amazon did not save them. The irony is absolutely painful. This isn't just about execution, it's about where value lives now. It cares about platforms, data, AI leverage, and, well, recurring value. iRobot didn't fall or fail because robots aren't the future. They failed because, well, they were the wrong kind of robot.